everyone, my name is Jordan Hernandez, and today I'll be going over my Lab 12 chip schematic of what it's going to be for a pedestrian light. So, before I get into my chip schematic, I like to show that I have this over here to kind of to help me out to talk about how this is going to work for the pedestrian light. As we can see, when we're starting from 0, 0, it's going to be green. From 0, 1, the flash is going to be off. Flash on is going to be 0, 1, 0 for C. And our red is going to be 1, 1, 1, or 1, 1. And then once we input that 1, it's going to go back to green. So this is how it's going to be looking like over here. As we see, I have my X input, so that can help me move on from phase to phase on the state diagram. My reset button, just in case if I want to reset the whole chip schematic, and then my clock here as well. So if we were to move on, so as we can see, we're at 0, 0, and when I have the clock on, representing my state diagram over here, that it will always go back to green. So then now we're going to be going over to flash off. So what we got to do is we're going to have the input X1, we're going to have to make it go full cycle, and then we turn it off. So this is now flash B, or this is B, which is flash off. So then when we go to C for flash on, we will have this, into which it will keep flashing the red light over and over again. And if we were to look over here, sorry, let me move my whole breadboard over here. So if we were to move it right here, and we have selected on, we can see it goes back between 1, 0 and 0, 1 to indicate the B and C. So then now, when we start from here, and we then turn on X, we can start from any point like B or C, and whenever 1 and X is 1, and then we go on a full circle, it's now going to be solid red. As we can see, I'm flipping on the clock over and over again, and it's still going to be 1. And then we were to look, then we could see our FF1 is going to be 1 and FF0 is going to be 1, which is correct on state D. And then if we were to go back in the circle, click 1 or click X1, and it goes back to green, and it's going to be solid green forever. All right, and then this is what it will be looking like if it were to be on, and this is what it would look like with the clock on. As we can see, we can switch it from 1, moves on to B, then C, then B, then C. Then if we're going to click it once again, then it'll move back to D, then click it once again to solid red, then we click it again, it's going to move back to green. I hope you guys all enjoy, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.